You're watching Home Plant Designs. Welcome to my channel Modern Home Decor. Today in this video, I will show you the famous planters and plant designs for your houses. Some people have a very large houses and they have a very spacious space for gardens and for gardening their plants. These are the pathway plants. These are the colorful plants for your large houses. People love to do planting and gardening in their backyards, on their front yard gardens, but they don't know which colorful plant they want to grow. So in this video, I'm telling you the latest design and the vast variety of different plants which can easily grown in your front yard gardens or your backyard gardens. But it depends where you want to grow these plants, because some plants are vertical in shape. They grow extremely good on vertical walls, on your front walls or on your back walls. As I mean to say, they require walls to grow, but some plants do not require those things. Just like you can use different pots, the larger one, the big one, or the smaller pots to grow these plants to enhance your garden beauty. Sometimes people have a very little space as their front, so you can do this, or you can decorate your pathway like this, or either if you have a balcony and you have a very little space, then you can use that for your plantations. These are the small pots you can buy from any online stores and you can do that. But this is the proper gardening, and this can be done in a very large spaces. This is not for the small houses. Or this one, you can make your patio space very beautiful along with gardening but in large space. But this one can be done in your small houses because it doesn't require too much space. And you have, if you have built this patio space, then you can add pots, or you can use this, but it requires a lot of effort and it will be costly. You can decorate your farmhouses like that, and if you have a very bigger wall of the house or farmhouses, you can do vertical gardening on that walls. This is also another extremely beautiful patio space gardening. Well, this one is for a very large space. People use to decorate four types of garden in that spaces, but this can be done in a very small space and it not so costly too. This is a vertical gardening. It requires a lot of effort. You have to put a lot of time in the beginning, but when it will start growing, then you definitely don't need anything. Well, they look this at this is, well, this is a beautiful flower gardens. This man has grown a lot of flowers in their backyard and it's totally used vertical gardening. Please subscribe my channel. I am putting a lot of effort to bring latest decor designs for your garden, for your houses.